Welcome to IMTEX 2025, Southeast Asia's largest industrial exhibition. And we are at the stall of ExxonMobil rather, a conglomerate in the field of lubricants. And I am right now with Mr. Shankar Karnik, Vice President Indirect Sales South Zone. Thank you, Mr. Karnik, for giving this interview. I would like to know what key innovations and expertise are you bringing to the manufacturing sector?
I'm very pleased to be here at the IMTEX 2025. This epoch-making event is quite close to our hearts because we cater to the machine tool industry through our lubrication solutions. Our advanced solutions, which have been developed over the 150 years of our existence in this industry, have only given us more and more opportunity and more challenges to deal with in terms of developing new technology and innovative solutions for the industry. So IMTEX is the forum where you bring all the industry influencers, industry users, and manufacturers and equipment builders to one forum. So this platform provides us with the right kind of lever to talk about our solutions, talk about some of the key testaments that we have, or testimonials that customers have given us leveraging our product solutions through our technology as well as services. So no better than IMTEX as a platform to deliver the right message and communication to the industry.
How do you approach sales strategy in the highly competitive manufacturing sector?
Well, manufacturing is a key element of the industry and contributes significantly to the GDP of the country, and India is no exception. And we have seen over the years, for maybe more than 100 years now, through the industrial revolution days, when manufacturing plays an important role, a vital role in setting up the right growth path for an economy. So it becomes a significant pillar of growth for any market, for that matter. And India, as it is envisaged in the economic plan, manufacturing is expected to touch 25% of the India's GDP, which is expected to go beyond $5 trillion. And that forms a significant, portion of the growth story, which means participating in the manufacturing sector growth becomes an imperative for technology providers and technology developers like ExxonMobil. So the Mobil brand completely services all aspects of manufacturing because there are equipment used. Mechanical equipment require lubrication to reduce friction and wear, and also lubricants act as heat dissipation media for components when they're operating. So essentially, all aspects of manufacturing we participate in, either through our products or services, and also bring our innovative solutions to the fore. This is a very competitive market, as you can understand, and from the looks of it, participation in IMTEX, it tells you the story. The number of exhibitors today, whether they are component makers or component providers or machinery providers, they're all there, and the input, consumable input that the industry requires from somebody like Mobil brand, they're all in here in IMTEX, and you can see the kind of competitiveness that is exhibited in the market. So in order to address that requirement, where our customers are challenged in terms of reducing costs, in terms of enhancing productivity, our customers are challenged in this marketplace in terms of reducing costs, enhancing productivity, and leveraging some of the innovative solutions that brands like Mobil bring to the market. They can improve their productivity, they can reduce their operational costs, and also improve efficiency. So that is how the value that we bring to the customers in this sector plays a very vital role in them being competitive in the market, and not only in the Indian market but at a global scale as well. So that's why we become an inherent part of our customers' journey in becoming more efficient, operationally more competitive, enhancing productivity and reducing cost of their operations to gain competitive advantage in the market.
Your technical support is well known in the industry. What role does mobile technical support play in ensuring client success?
I will have to go back to the legacy here. With more than about 150 years of our presence in the market, right from the days when the initial steam locomotives rolled out as part of the American Industrial Revolution, we had developed steam cylinder oils which are required to operate steam locomotives. And I'm very proud of the fact that Mobile Cylinder Oil 600W, which was introduced back in 1866, is even today commercially available and is a product that continues to contribute to steam locomotive operation. From that day onwards, we have been, bringing in next generation technology time and again, whether it is the Wright brothers when they flew the first aircraft, or Lindbergh when he flew the first transatlantic flight, carrying into the 1,000 miles of journey through a single propeller engine. Every step in the history of lubrication, including Henry Ford when he wanted the automobiles to be serviced or lubricated by the right kind of engine oils, we developed the engine oils for them. Or for that matter, like when the first power generating unit in Newark State for General Electric, those turbines ran on Mobil DTE oils. Now, there is a long list of legacy that I can talk about where we developed technology suiting to the requirements of the industry to deliver maximum productivity, maximum output. And that legacy brings us to current, where we have one of the best-in-class products that are delivering the right kind of output to the industry, bringing about the right kind of technical services which support our products to deliver on commitments on benefits that the customer normally is promised, and our technical services, which is basically spearheaded by our field engineering services, or lube engineers as we call them, deliver on the total cost of ownership commitments that we have for every application, for every equipment and every operation that we add value to our customers. Not only that, on the technology front, in terms of development, our equipment builder organization, which is more than 100 years old, work with the equipment builders in developing the next generation product for the equipments that are going to be introduced commercially into the market. So thereby, looking into the material aspects, or rather metallurgical aspects, the design aspect and the operational features. These are considered as we develop tribological solutions for our equipment builders, and thereby contributing to our customers, enhanced productivity requirements. So collectively, both on the technological front, the products that we develop, and the technical services which come in handy for the customers on the operational side, these two are critical ingredients for success of our solutions in the industry. And this legacy, as I said, has been going on for more than 150 years, and we are only proud of the fact that we continue to deliver value to our customers day in, day out, across the industry, whether it is manufacturing sector or energy or mining or cement. We are there providing the right solutions to the industry, and that's our commitment to the industry as well.
That leads us to another question on troubleshooting. Now, how do you help manufacturers manage unplanned downtime effectively?
Very well. It starts with the choice of lubricants. Customers have an array of products and brands to choose from when they buy a new equipment, or even when they operate their available equipment in their manufacturing facility. Now, the choice of the lubricant depends on many factors. One of the key factors is that the equipment builder or the OEM makes a recommendation in the technical manual. But then of late we have seen that it basically requires basic minimum threshold for approving a certain product in an equipment. It is unfortunate though, but that is something like, if I can give an analogy, it is something to say that you get 40 marks and you are pass. But that is not sufficient for high performance equipment. When the productivity expectation goes higher, then the lubrication requirements of the equipment also needs to scale higher levels of delivery. And that's when high performing lubricants and advanced technology fluids play a very important role, backed up by the right technical services. So for regular maintenance and routine maintenance, we have a program that we normally encompass as part of our plant engineering services. And specifically to the machine shop industry, we have a soul care program which delivers on the planned maintenance aspects. As far as the unplanned or unscheduled maintenance of equipment is concerned, normally this comes to the fore when equipments are pushed hard in terms of higher loads, in terms of lower cycles of operation. These are the environments where equipments undergo high stress, high loads, and there are chances of failure that the equipment may envisage. Now that's where our system lubricants come into play. We offer mobile Vectra numbered series, which cater to the requirements of the slideway lubrication. Vectra numbered series have delivered extremely high positional accuracy and have the feature of reduced stick slip performance during operation. That would mean less stress on the equipment, less stress on the work job, because the overall lubrication of the guideways is very well managed. Thereby, the operation runs smooth and it delivers much better surface finish of the product that requires to be machined. So thereby, it is not only that you get a better output of the work or the job in terms of achieving better RA values, but it also delivers a much smoother operation for the equipment, thereby reducing friction and wear, and also reducing the temperature of operation itself. So a much better heat dissipation is achieved, and Vectra delivers higher productivity for equipment. And also it is proven that mobile Vectra numbered series delivers much lower maintenance requirements for the equipment. Likewise, we have DT10XL series, mobile DT10XL, anti-wear premium hydraulic product, which naturally has less hydraulic stress in as far as the operation is concerned, delivers much better output because the shear stress that the lubrication experiences is much lower compared to industry. So it is a best-in-class product which delivers better, efficient, hydraulic efficiency and much better mechanical efficiency, overall delivering better pump efficiency, thereby improving productivity of lubrication. So which means operationally it has been proven that mobile DT10XL oils can deliver up to about 6.7% statistical pump efficiency and hydraulic efficiency to operations in machine shops. So that's another key area which would reduce maintenance requirements, and it would significantly reduce unplanned or unscheduled maintenance for equipment. You also have the DT20 Ultra Hydraulic series, which is again our series of hydraulic products which have delivered better, a much better uptime of equipment and reduce unplanned scheduled maintenance. Now, in addition to this, we have the greases which operate for the work chuck holding devices, and we have spindle lubrication in the mobile Velocite series, which again have delivered much better operational efficiency and thereby reduced unmanned or untimed maintenance requirements. So this is a gamut of products of mobile that we deliver advanced lubrication solutions, reduce cost of maintenance, and also avoid unplanned or unscheduled maintenance requirements for the industry. Overall, all this contributes to enhanced productivity, and that makes our customers competitive in the marketplace. And that's the value that we bring to the table.
Indeed, you have a plethora of products for the industry. Finally, how do you cater to the needs of different industries within manufacturing?
Well, manufacturing, at the outset is a very versatile field. You have automotive manufacturing, which is a continuous manufacturing process. But for automotive manufacturing, as you would know, if there are, let's say, 2,300 parts, assemblies, now these assemblies are manufactured by the next layer, which manufacture major assemblies. And then you further subcontract it, where, there are smaller assembly manufacturers who make the major assemblies. Further down in the value chain, you'll find component manufacturers at, again, further levels, who contribute to the, minor assemblies, which we go on to make major assemblies, and then finally car manufacturing. So it's a long value chain that operates, and likewise, there are different commercial reasons or segments within that value chain itself. There are jobbers, there are major manufacturers, and then all these consolidate into eventually final product being manufactured. Likewise, you have industrial equipments, which is a separate value chain, and so on and so forth. So manufacturing is versatile in terms of how the industry operates, in terms of the operation, as well as in terms of the size of the accounts, customers. It could be MSME and it could be major accounts, which contribute eventually to the final product manufacture. Our strategy into the industry is multifold again, catering to the entire gamut of manufacturing requirements. We have our channel partners who reach out to the lowest level of manufacturing companies or accounts, and likewise we have retailers who operate in certain clusters where there are smaller operating companies who get service through our retailers, and the retailers and their frontline is trained by our distributors, and our distributors are trained by ourselves through various different training programs to make them scale up in terms of their knowledge, their competency and capacity to deliver the right solutions to the industry. So again, our products represent various different solutions to different industries. The products or the series of products that I talked about in terms of mobile cut, which addresses the metalworking fluid, mobile met, which are neat cutting oils, which again address the cutting requirements. We have the Vactra, Velocite, which address the system requirements. These gamut of products address the machine shop requirement. Now, going further into manufacturing, we have the synthetic range of products where there are gear oils, there are hydraulic oils, there are compressor oils, system oils, which again cater to the industry at a very different level, where there is higher performance of lubrication requirements that are specified. We have a series of grease, which again cater to the specific equipment requirements of the industry. So the range of products that Mobil offers is unparalleled, and it is second to none in the industry. So the range of products and the technology that we offer at different levels cater to the specific requirements of the customer. Thereby, we can customize solutions for our customers. That is, all the products again are supported by various levels of technical services. That again, is through our Soul Care program, through our plant engineering services program, we achieve the right kind of customization that is required to different layers and levels of accounts and customers in the manufacturing industry. So thereby, we completely cover the entire spectrum of requirements for the customer in the manufacturing sector through our products and services and our innovative solutions. I hope that answers the question.
It's very interesting and really incredible range of products for the industry. I do hope that the industry takes advantage of your products and solutions.
Absolutely.
And, thank you very much for this.
One of the areas that I wanted to add
Yes.
is that this expertise and the knowledge of over 150 years of heritage we have with the Mobil brand, we have brought out the latest campaign which we call Fill with Mobil.
Okay.
Fill with Mobil represents experts who are by the industry, for the industry, and deliver solutions through our innovative programs and solutions which cater to the specific requirement of each sector and segment within the industry. And that promise through Fill with Mobil has been consistently delivering sustainable solutions for our industry.
Exactly.
And that's the value that we bring to the table through our Fill with Mobil program.
Right. Thank you so much, and wish you all the very best for this show.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks.